Buying skirting boards online can be a daunting task. With so many sizes to choose, where do you start? On our product pages we have multiple drop-down boxes that contain multiple sections. For skirting boards alone, there's 5 drop-down boxes and over 20 different selections to choose from. With that, we're going to explain all of the options you can choose when ordering skirting boards. The height option. This is the first option you will see when viewing any of our skirting board product pages. Arguably, it is the most important selection. It's also the option with the most choices. Which height should you choose? It's not always clear which height you should choose. If you're matching up to existing skirting, the chances are you'll choose the same height for your new boards. If you have radiator pipes running along your walls, you might be restricted as to how tall you can have the skirting boards. The same applies with plug sockets and other obstacles. However, if you're starting with a blank canvas, you should be able to choose almost any height. It's down to personal preference. The thickness option. If you've selected your desired height, the next step to choose is the thickness you require. This is another important step that shouldn't be overlooked. Which thickness should you choose? If you're going to be matching up to existing skirting, you'll need to choose the same thickness or as close as possible for your new skirtings. If you're starting fresh, you can choose a thickness to suit your home. However, you will have to check that you can accommodate the thickness you select. For example, if your architraves are 18mm thick and you're not going to replace them, you're better off selecting 18mm thick for your skirtings. The length option. Next, you'll be choosing the length for your skirting boards. Which length should you choose? This one should be pretty easy to decide. If the majority of your walls are over 3 meters in length, the longer length will be the choice for most customers, but you will also have to consider being able to handle them. The finish option. Now that you've chosen the required length, we're on to choosing the finish for the skirtings. Which finish should you choose? This shouldn't be a hard choice, and we always recommend choosing the prime finish. Choosing the prime finish not only saves time when adding your final finish, but will also ensure that the finish quality will be professional. The rebate option. The final option to choose from is whether or not you want the skirting boards rebated. Are you planning on hiding wires behind the skirting boards? If so, you'll need to choose the rebated option. Add your skirting to the cart. Once you've selected all the above options, you can finally add the skirting board to the cart. Simply type in the number of boards you need into the quantity box and hit the add to cart button in red. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time we will see you in our next video.